in apoplast pathway, water moves exclusively through? Option A, plasmodesmata. Option B, intercellular spaces. Option B, cell walls. Option C, intercellular spaces. Option D, both B and C. So apoplast, the term apoplast, it refers to above the protoplasm. So apoplast means it is above or across the protoplasm. So that is the meaning of apoplast. So if we consider the root cells, so the outermost layer will be made up of epidermis, and this epidermis, it will be connected. So it will be having a unicellular hair-like extensions called as root hairs. So these root hairs, it comes in contact with the soil solution, and here this will absorb the water from the soil solution into the inner part of the root cells. So inner to the epidermis, there will be the root cortex, which are loosely arranged here. Okay, so this root cortex cells, so further it leads to the endodermis. So these are the cortical cells, and inner to that there will be presence of endodermis. So this endodermis, so it will be having a tangential as well as the radial thickening called as Casparian strips like this. So here inner to that the xylem and phloem will be present inner to the endodermis. So that is regarding the rough anatomy of the root. So when the root hairs comes in contact with the soil solution, so it absorbs the water through the process called as osmosis. So once the water is absorbed, from here it will be transported to the epidermal cells, and from the epidermal cell, so it will be reaching the endodermis by passing across the cell wall as well as freely moving through the intercellular spaces. And this type of movement, it is called as apoplast movement of water, or it can be considered as apoplast pathway. So here water won't be entering into the protoplasm. So it will be freely moving through the intercellular spaces as well as across the cell wall. Okay, so hence here they have asked in apoplast pathway how the water will be moving. So it moves through the intercellular spaces also. It will be moving across the cell wall also. So hence here option D, both B and C are the correct answer. So hence option D is considered as the answer, which includes both option B and